Now in final account, here we are going to start question number 8, that is Brahma and Vishnu are partners of a firm sharing profit and losses in the proportion of 3:2. From the trial balance dated 31st/3/2017 and adjustments, prepare annual account of the firm. See, this is the trial balance which has been given to you. Okay, there is debit side, amount, credit side and amount. Here there is adjustment. Okay, they have given adjustment, will be tick marking this adjustment. See, first adjustment, provide depreciation 6% on machinery and 20% on furniture fixtures. Okay, so there is an adjustment related to machinery and furniture. So see, here you will be going, that is machinery, you will put tick mark, furniture and fixtures, so you will put the tick mark like this. Okay, then next adjustment, write off 500 from debtors as bad debt. So go and tick mark your debtors. See, your debtors is here, clear. So we will put tick mark on debtors. Then annual salary of 5,000 and 4,000 payable to Brahma and Vishnu. See, this is the salary not related to employees, but it is related to partners' salary. Okay, so this effect will be going directly to partners' capital account. So no need to tick mark anything for this particular adjustment number 3. Is this clear? Again I am repeating, this is partner's salary, and this salary which is given to you on in trial balance, okay, that is related to employee. So both are different thing. So please do not tick mark this salary for this particular adjustment number 3. Then commission 500 is receivable. Okay, so commission is receivable. As you are receiving, it will be income. As this is income, you will be able to find out on credit side of your trial balance. Okay, see, all incomes and liabilities will be on credit side, all expenses, all assets will be on debit side of trial balance. Fine, so this is commission, we will tick mark this. Then outstanding salary, that is 3,000. Now this is your salary which is related to employees. So for this adjustment number 5, we will be tick marking this salary, okay, which is given to you in your trial balance. Again I am repeating, in trial balance debit side there will be assets and expenses and losses. On credit side the items given are will be liabilities and incomes. Fine. Now this was the sum which you have to tick mark like this. Okay, the sum is given in your textbook, that is page number 78. Now for this particular sum, how we will be doing? So see, first we will be preparing, that is trading account. Okay, so trading account of partnership firm of Brahma and Vishnu as on 31st/3/2017. This side will be debit, this side will be credit. Particulars, amount, particulars, amount. Like this on one page you will draw it. Okay, now do not draw any account on this page. Now on the second page you will be going, on second page you will be drawing profit and loss account of partnership firm of Brahma and Vishnu as on 31st/3/2017. Debit, credit. So this side is your debit, this side is your credit. Particulars, amount, particulars, amount. Then next page, that will be profit and loss appropriation account. See, on first page you will prepare only trading account, second page you will prepare only P&L account, third page you will prepare two things. One is profit and loss appropriation account and one is partners capital account. Fine. So first we will be seeing, that is profit and loss appropriation account of partnership firm of Brahma and Vishnu as on 31st/3/2017. Debit and credit, particulars, amount, particulars, amount. Fine. Your next account, that is partners capital account. See, here you will write down only this much, partners capital account. Do not write down like this, that is of partnership firm of Brahma and Vishnu, like this. Only you will be writing, that is partners capital account. Particulars, D stands for Brahma, V stands for Vishnu. See, in all these three account, trading, P&L and P&L appro, there is only one column for amount. But as this is your partner's capital account, there will be two columns. First column is for the first partner, second column is for the second partner. So your Brahma and your Vishnu. Again particulars, Brahma and Vishnu, your debit and your credit. This will be your format. Just write down by balance brought down. This is your opening capital. Okay, this will be your opening capital, but no need to write down like this, that is opening capital, as this is the first sum I am showing you that this is your opening capital. Okay, you will write down your opening capital which is given to you in your trial balance, by balance brought down, that we will see. After that, balance sheet of partnership firm of Brahma and Vishnu as on 31st/3/2017. Liabilities amount, assets amount. Okay, so total 5 things you have to prepare: trading, P&L apro, partners capital, and then your balance sheet. Second important thing you'll remember that your debit side, credit side, debit side, credit side. Here also debit, credit, but when you are going to balance sheet, this is your credit side and this is your debit side. Here no need to write credit and debit. Till your partners capital you will be writing debit and credit. But this side you have to just remember that this is your credit side and this is your debit side. No need to write down. Okay. So this is the format of final account. Okay. First this format is to be prepared. Now we will be starting the sum. Now see, when you are starting the sum, first you will see here that what is your P&L ratio. That is, the P&L ratio is 3:2. It means the profit and loss is to be divided in this two partner among this ratio, that is 3:2. This you will write down on above the P&L appro account. See here, P&L appro account is there. You just write down here that is 3:4, that is equals to 5 for your consideration. Okay, here, sorry, 9. Sorry, it is 3:2. Okay, here they have given 3:2. So 3:2, that is equals to 5. Clear? Then now you will be starting. First you will take your debit side only. Okay, and always see that your trial balance should be tallied. That is 2,80,150. Here also 2,80,150. Now this is your debit side. You have to start from this side only first of all. Okay. Now see, first item, that is drawing. Whose drawing is this? That is Brahma and Vishnu. What do you mean by drawing? So drawings means from business whatever you have taken, either goods or money, okay, that is for your personal use, that is known as drawings. If you remember in 11th standard you have learned, okay, the cash or asset withdrawn or goods withdrawn from the business for personal use, that is known as drawings. Okay, so drawings for Brahma and Vishnu, for both it is 5,000. So now where to record this? See, as this is the item which is related to partners, so you'll go directly to partners capital account, debit side. And second thing, this is on debit side, so here also it will be coming on debit side. So see, this is your partners capital account, this is your debit side. Here you will write down that is 2 drawings account. For both partner it is 5,000. Clear? So these two items are over. Now second, leasehold building. See, building is one type of asset. Leasehold, it means you have taken that building on lease, यानी आपने इसको rent पे लिया हुआ है, but it is for a long term rent, that is of 10 years. From when you started to take this building on lease, so 1/4/2016 you have taken this building on lease. As this is an asset, okay, so asset you will go to balance sheet. Okay, this is your balance sheet. On asset side you will write down that is L, that is leasehold. L stands for leasehold. BLDG you can write down like this in short form also, in board exam also even. Okay, so leasehold building. The amount for leasehold building is 60,000, and here there is a bracket. See, this type of things are known as, whenever some item is given on in trial balance and below that there is a bracket, it means there is some adjustment, hidden adjustment. So this will be your hidden adjustment. Okay, as this is your hidden adjustment, the amount you will not write down in the outer column, you will write down the amount in the inner column. I'll show you how. That is 60,000. So this is your outer column and this is your inner column. As there is an adjustment, we will be writing the amount in the inner column. Put your minus sign and then leave this line. But as this is an hidden adjustment, we will complete this hidden adjustment right now only. Fine. So see, leasehold building, the amount is given to you 60,000. That is, it is starting from 1/4/2016 for 10 years. Okay. So on the next page we will be doing working note. Okay, so see here, as this is for the first time, I am showing you in working note. You can even do directly. Okay, but working note will be a part of your answer, so better to do in book only. Leasehold building, then it is from 1/4/16 for 10 years. Okay, so first we will be starting it from 1/4/16 2. Now see, 1/4/16 2 you have to see till which year. So this current year 1/4/6 this particular financial year, when it is starting from 1/4/16, so it will be, as it is starting on April, so it will be ending on March, so 31st March. So see, this is your next year, so here it is 16, so here there will be 17. Okay, now you have to see that this is your current year or not. Okay, so this particular year is your current year. See here, okay, this is your current year. Okay, so 31/3/2017. See here in the first line itself you got the current year. Okay, so what you have to remember, that above this current year you have to draw the line. Clear? So above this nothing is there, so now for how many years you have to go? You have to go for 10 years. So below this line there will be 10 years as it is. So now what you will be doing, now here you will be writing that is 60,000 divided by this 10 years. All 10 years are coming here only, so 10 years. So this is your 6,000 rupees which is to be write off. Okay, now suppose here I am giving you another example. Okay, this is just for your example, for your understanding. Suppose here they have given that leasehold building, okay, from 1/4/14 for 10 years. Amount is same, that is 60,000 rupees. Okay, but see what is the difference here. They have given that is the year you have taken this building from 1/4/16, and here I am making a change. I have made it that is 1/4/14. So now how you will do? So see, 1/4/14 2. So now this particular financial year, it is starting from April, it will be ending on March. Now here there is 14, so here there will be 15. Now I have to compare this year with my current year. My current year is 31/3/17. I am not getting my current year here, so I will be going to the next line. Now here 31/3/15. So here after March there will be April. See here you will not change the year. This 15 and this 15 will be same, because after March there will be April 2. Now next March is coming, so 31/3. Now there will be, here it is 15, so here it will be 16. See, still this is not same, if you can see. Okay, so this is also not same, that is you are not getting current year here also. So still again one more line you will write down. So here 31/3/16 is there, so here there will be 1/4/16 to 31/3/17. See, now I am getting my current year. Okay, as soon as you get the current year, above the current year you have to draw the line. Please remember this. Okay, as soon as you get the current year, above the current year you will be drawing the line. Now you had it for 10 years. See, above this line already 2 years have been gone, so now you have to do the calculation for how many years. So 10 minus 2, there will be 8 years. Now here what you will be doing, 60,000 you will be dividing by 8. Whatever you will get the answer, that will be your write off. Okay, so this type of calculations are coming. So here why I have done only one line I have written, that is 1/4/16 to 31st, because in the first line itself I am getting my current year. As soon as you get the current year, above the current year you will draw the line. So see, above this line there are no years. Okay, as we are getting here 2 years, so here there are no years, so you will take a full 10 years. Now 60,000 divided by 10, and see what you have to do, that is for the current year you have to write off. Okay, and for the upcoming years, the things which are gone, for that we are not supposed to take the write off. Okay, leasehold building is one type of building which you have taken on rent, and for that you have to keep a certain amount aside. Okay, that is when the 10 years will get over, so you should have something on your hand, so that again you can take the another leasehold building on rent, or you can even purchase your own land. So that's why we are calculating this particular type of write off every year. Okay, so here these years are gone, so for this year I am not going to calculate the write off. The current year and the upcoming year, so the current year and the upcoming years are here 8 years. In this case, current year and the upcoming year, as nothing is gone above this line, so your total is your 10 years. So here we have divided 60,000 divided by 10, so write off is coming 6,000. Okay, now what you will do, Now you will go back to your balance sheet. Okay, here you will write down, that is write off. Here we will write down 6,000. So 60,000 minus 6,000, here you will be getting, that is 54,000. Clear? Now this write off is, you are keeping it aside, it means it is your expense. Okay, as this is your expense, the second entry will go here, that is in P&L account. Okay, so second entry will go here in P&L account. See, profit and loss, so this side all expenses and losses, this side all income and gains. Okay, in profit and loss, so here you will be writing, that is 2 write off on leasehold building account, that is 6,000. Is this clear? Okay, again I am repeating, that is in trial balance, whatever effect you will give, okay, you will give one important thing, just keep in mind. Okay, that is the things which are given in trial balance will be recorded only once. Where there is adjustment and hidden adjustment, so that will be recorded twice. Okay, so see, here write off on leasehold building and one is here write off. Okay, so 2 times it is coming. Okay, whereas leasehold building 60,000 which we took from this, okay, and drawing is recorded only once. Okay, drawing is recorded here and leasehold building is recorded here. So just remember that the things which are in trial balance will be recorded only once. The things which are in adjustment or there is hidden adjustment will be recorded twice. Then see, machinery, office. See, this is not your hidden adjustment. They are just giving an information that this machinery is in your office. Clear? When there is factory, that is important. Clear? So machinery, office, normal adjustment you will do, but when there is factory, that I'll teach you later on when factory will come. Okay, that will come. Fine. One more thing I want to tell you, that see, this is minus. Okay, minus goes to opposite side. Opposite side means if it is here on left right hand side, so now it will go to left hand side and the another account. So see, this is here, okay, right hand side. So here in P&L, see, if you see, it is on right hand side. So minus effect goes opposite side, plus effect goes same side. Okay, you can also remember this rule. Okay, please remember this rule, that is adjustment rule. Okay, plus same side. Okay, but before that you will write down outstanding plus same side, pre minus opposite side. Okay, so plus goes same side, minus goes opposite side. Same side means if it is on left hand side, in another account also it will be on left hand side. If the things are on right hand side, in another account also it will be right hand side. Minus means if it is on left hand side, then in another account it will be on right, and if it is on right side, then in another account it will be on left side. See, 2 times outstanding. So one is outstanding expense and one is outstanding income. So whether it is outstanding expense or outstanding income, you have to do plus, and plus means you will go same side. Pre means pre-received income and prepaid expense. Okay, so for both pre you will be using minus, and minus will go to opposite side. Fine, so just remember this particular rule. Now see, moving on to the next effect, machinery, that is office. So it is, that is 50,000. Okay, so now machinery is your asset. See, machinery, there is a tick mark also. As there is tick mark, do not put the things in the outer column. Okay, as this is your first sum, I'm going in detail. Okay, that is very slow. So see, machinery you will write down like this. Okay, the amount is 50,000. We will write down in the inner column, and then we will put minus and leave this particular line. Okay, because there is an adjustment. Okay, then next is discount allowed. Okay, see, you are giving discount, so it is one type of loss for you. Okay, so loss will come to P&L account. Okay, see, this is your P&L account. See, discount allowed, you are giving, it is your loss, so this side will be loss. See, expenses and losses will be written on in P&L account debit side. Incomes and gains, okay, will be recorded here on credit side. Fine. So here we will be writing that is to discount allowed account. Okay, the amount for discount allowed is how much? 350. As there is no tick mark, we will put the amount in the outer column. Now see, if there is discount received, so that will be income, it will come this side. Okay, so discount allowed here, debit side. See again, here it is on debit side, so here also it will be on debit side. Then next is debtors. See, debtors means that is your asset. Okay, you have to take money. See, who are debtors? Debtors are the person from whom you are supposed to take money, and creditors are the person to whom you have to pay money. Okay, debtors कब create होते हैं? तो when you are doing any kind of credit sales, जब तुम कोई चीज़ उधार पे बेचोगे तो later on you will get money from them, so they are debtors. When you are doing credit purchase, जब तुम कोई चीज़ उधार पे खरीदते हो, then you have to pay money, okay, to the party later on, so they will be known as creditors. Debtors are asset, as you have to take money from them. Creditors are liabilities, as you have to pay the amount to them later on. Fine. So debtors is your asset. See, debtors, there is a tick mark and the amount is, that is 40,000. Fine. So as it is asset, we will write down here in asset. So we will record debtors on asset side. Okay, just record here in the middle of the page. Debtors amount is 40,000. See, there is adjustment, so here put minus, okay, and leave the line, and here there will be the things in the inner column. Fine. Then see, carriage outward. See, what do you mean by carriage outward? Okay, carriage outward is one type of expense which you are paying. Okay, that is lari bhada. Fine. Carriage outward is paid on sales and carriage inward is paid on purchases. Again I am repeating, carriage outward sales पे pay किया जाता है, carriage inward purchases पे pay किया जाता है. And the difference is also there. When there is carriage inward, it is related to purchase, so you will write down here in trading account debit side. When there is carriage outward, you will record here as it is related to sales. See, all the expenses which are related to sales will come here, P&L account debit side. All the expenses which are related to purchases will come here in trading and trading account. Is this clear? So carriage inward, trading debit side, and carriage outward, so P&L debit side. So here we will write down to carriage outward account. Fine. That is, the amount is 1200. As there is no adjustment, we'll put the amount in the outer column. Next is furniture and fixtures. See, there is an adjustment. Okay, tick mark is there, so this you will write down in the inner column. Next, furniture is your asset. So go to balance sheet. Okay, this is your balance sheet. Asset side we will write down, that is furniture. No need to write down complete title. Okay, 5,000, as there is adjustment, so we will write down in the inner column, then minus, and then put the line. Clear? Next, salary. See, salary is an expense which you are giving to employees. Okay, so though it is an expense which is related to employees, okay, so it will be coming to P&L account. See, only purchases related expense will go to trading account, no other expenses will come here. Okay, so salary will be coming here in P&L account, as this is the salary which is related to business for employees. Okay, so sales related expenses and other expenses, again I am repeating, the expenses which are related to sales and other expenses will be recorded in P&L account debit side. So here to salary account. Fine. Now this salary is how much? That is 7,500, and adjustment is there, so we will write down here in inner column 7,500, and then minus, and then we will leave the line. See, whenever you are writing like this, okay, you will put here minus sign only, because minus can become plus later on, okay, according to the effect. Next is bad debt. See, for bad debt you have to prepare one TART format here, okay, like this. See, 2 BD plus BD plus BDR, and then minus BDR. The last will be minus. 2 times BD and 2 times BDR plus plus minus, and then TART. T A and D. T. Trial balance, adjustment, and trial balance. Okay, so this is the TART format. Again I'm repeating, 2 times BD, 2 times BDR, plus at the end minus. TAAT. So see, these two effects are in trial balance. Okay. Now, as this is on debit side but minus is there, this will have credit balance in trial balance, and this will have debit balance in trial balance. Okay. So please remember. Again I'm repeating, which is very important. These two are in trial balance. So in trial balance it will be given. See, this is on debit side. Okay. So this amount will be on debit side of trial balance. This is on debit side, but here I have written minus sign. So when you will be seeing in this trial balance, the amount of BDR won't be here, it will be here. But though it is on credit side, you will write down here only on debit side, because already we are keeping here minus, so we are adjusting it. Okay, so just remember. Next, so here BD is 1200. Okay, so here BD of T. So here inner column 1200. Okay, when everything will come, so at the end we will do the summation, whatever plus minus. Next is bills receivable. Okay, again bills receivable is asset. See, when bills are created, when you are having bills receivable is created when you are selling the goods on credit. Okay, debtors create होते हैं if you want the money soon. Okay, that is debtors are there. जब आपने कुछ चीज़ उनको उधार पे बेची है, and they are telling you to give them 6 months credit period, but now you want the money within 2 months. So what you will do, you will create bills receivable, you will take this bill to the bank will give you the money on behalf of this particular debtor. Okay, now after 6 months this particular debtor will pay the money to bank, okay, which the bank has given to you. Again I am repeating, डेटर्स जब कोई क्रेडिट सेल्स होता है तब डेटर्स क्रिएट होते हैं. ओके, दे विल बी गिविंग यू 6 month 3 months क्रेडिट पीरियड और 2 months 1 month लाइक दिस. ओके, बट जब पार्टी को जिसने उधार पे बेचा है उसको पैसा अर्जेंसी में चाहिए, ओके, विद इन फ्यू डेज, एंड ही इज़ नाउ नॉट रेडी टू गिव यू क्रेडिट पीरियड. नाउ यू कैन नॉट पे. ओके, तुम्हारे पास इतना कैश है नहीं. सो व्हाट इज़ द सिचुएशन, व्हाट इज़ कमिंग, bills are created. Okay, so bills receivable is one type of a bill, a document which is being prepared. Okay, and then this particular party who needs the money, जिसने goods बेचा है, okay, उधार पे, तो ये बिल लेकर जाएगा बैंक में. the bank will pay the money on your behalf. Okay, and then later on when you will pay the money after 6 months 3 months, then this money will go to bank directly. Okay, so this type of bills are created. So bills receivable, it means it is your asset. Okay, so 20,000. so here go to asset side. See, this is your asset side. Okay, here see, here always just write down tangible asset, that is fixed assets. Okay, tangible and intangible, you have learned fixed asset, machinery, building, furniture, vehicle. Okay, they are all your tangible asset. Intangible assets like goods, patents, copyright, so these are all your, that is above debtors, all fixed assets will be recorded. From here you will be writing your current assets. Debtors are there, bills receivable are there, cash balance is there, stock is there. So all these are your current balance, current assets. Okay, so here you will be writing now current assets. So here we will write down bills receivable. Okay, the amount of bills receivable is, that is 20,000. As there is no adjustment, put the amount in the outer column. Fine. Then next, trading expenses. See, trading expenses is, your trading word is there, but trading expenses is an expense which is related to sales. Okay, so the name is trading, you will never go to trading account. Okay, trading expenses will never go to trading account, it will be coming here. Why it is coming here in P&L account? Because it is an expense which is related to sales. So you will write down here to trading expense account. Fine, the amount is how much? 5,900. so here you will write down that is 5,900. clear? Then cash balance. Again cash balance is your asset. Okay, so 6,000 cash balance. Okay, आपके पास cash पड़ा हुआ है, it is your current asset, so you will write down here. So cash balance on asset side in balance sheet, the amount is 6,000. fine. Then stock. See, this date if you see 31st 3/17 and this date 31st 3/17 is same, so this is your closing stock. Okay, is this clear? Now closing stock. Okay, so closing stock is one type of asset for you. Again remember, if this closing stock is in trial balance, only one effect. If this closing stock is here in adjustment, there will be two effect. When it will come, I'll teach. Okay, right now here it is in trial balance, and all the trial balance items except hidden adjustment will have only one effect. So this is your closing stock, जो आपके पास पड़ा हुआ माल होता है, रहता है. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू हैव परचेस्ड गुड्स ऑफ रुपीज़ 1 लाख. अब 1 लाख में से आपने 60,000 के गुड्स बेच दिए, 40,000 के गुड्स अभी भी आपके पास पड़े हुए. सो दैट इज ट्रीटेड एज योर क्लोजिंग स्टॉक एंड इट विल बी ट्रीटेड एज योर asset, बिकॉज इन फ्यूचर you are going to sell that asset. Okay, so here right now closing stock, this will go to asset side. The amount is 73,000. Here there is no adjustment. See, this is not your hidden adjustment. Okay, only the information they have given, that is the date is given, whether it is opening stock or closing stock. See, 31st 3/17, it means it is closing. Suppose they have written 1/4/16, so it will be opening stock. Okay, and opening stock goes to trading account. Okay, suppose if it was 1/4/16, then here it would I have written trading account to opening stock account. But right now here it is 31st 3/17, so it will go to closing stock and that will be recorded on asset side here. So closing stock, okay, the amount is 73,000. Fine. Now see, all your items of debit side is over. Now we will be shifting to credit side of your trial balance. See, first item, that is capital account. Again, this is your opening capital account, okay, of Brahma and Vishnu. As it is the things which are related to partner, it will go to partner's capital account. See, drawings we have written here. See, this buy balance which I have written here, I will write down the opening capital. Okay, so this is your opening capital. The opening capital is 55,000 and 45,000. For Brahma it is 55,000. So for Brahma it is 55,000 and for Vishnu it is 45,000. Clear? Then loan of Brahma. See, Brahma is a partner, okay, and this is partner's loan. 1/7/2016 and 50,000. See, in first chapter we have studied the in partnership deed, okay, provisions are there that whenever there is a partner's loan, you have to give interest, okay, and if the rate of interest is not given, you have to take it 6%. So here see, rate of interest is not mentioned. So here at what rate you will calculate? You will calculate at 6%. Fine. So this is your hidden adjustment. Is this clear? And loan of Brahma for the business. Brahma ने business को लोन दिया है पार्टनरशिप फर्म को, तो फर्म के लिए ये क्या है? लाइबिलिटी. ओके, एंड एज इट इज़ ऑन क्रेडिट साइड, इट विल बी आइदर योर इनकम और विल बी योर liabilities. Okay, so here this loan of Brahma is your liability. So here we will go, okay, here in the middle you will write down that is loan of Brahma. The amount is given to you, that is 50,000. As it is hidden adjustment, you will write down in inner column minus, and now we will calculate the amount of interest. So see here, okay, adjustment number 2, that is working note number 2, interest on Brahma's loan. Okay, so here the amount to you is given 50,000. Rate of interest you have to remember, it will be 6%. The date they have mentioned 1/7/2016. So 1/7/2016. Okay, see, now from 1/7 you have taken this loan on 1/7/2016. As the first date is there, so we have to count 7. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is December, so we have to go till March. So 1, 2 and 3. Again see, 1/7 is there, as this is the first date. Suppose here it is 31st 7, then I'll be starting my counting from 8. But this is 1/7, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2 and 3. Total how many months are there? So 9 months are there. So here we are getting 9 months. So 50,000 into 6% first you will do. Okay, so what you are getting, see, 50,000 into 6%. So you are getting 3,000. Now 3,000 you have from this. See, when you are taking 6%, this 3,000 is for the full year. Now we are not supposed to take for the full year because we are getting only 9 months. So into 9 upon 12. So into 9 divided by 12, you are getting, that is 2250 rupees. That is your interest on loan. Fine. Now what you will be doing, see this interest on loan, this is your outstanding, पे नहीं किया है, बाकी है पे करना. Okay, so here you will go as it is outstanding. Okay, here you will put plus now. Okay, माइनस को हमने प्लस बनाया. So outstanding interest on loan, it is coming 2250. Okay, so outer column 50,000 plus 2250, it will be 52,250. Now this is your adjustment. You have to give the second effect also. Okay, so see plus plus, I taught you it is same side. Okay, here I taught you that plus plus same side, minus minus opposite side. So plus plus same side. So now where it will go, see आपने लोन ली है, फर्म के लिए लोन क्या हो गया है, लाइबिलिटी. ऑन दैट लाइबिलिटी यू विल बी पेइंग इंटरेस्ट. whenever you take loan उस पर आपको इंटरेस्ट पे करना पड़ता है. इट इज़ वन टाइप ऑफ एक्सपेंस. सो आइदर रिमेंबर लाइक दैट. सो सी एक्सपेंस है तो यहाँ जाएंगे, अदर एक्सपेंसेस यहाँ आते हैं. ओके, नाउ व्हाट यू विल रिमेंबर, सो प्लस प्लस सेम साइड, इट मीन्स दिस इज ऑन दिस साइड. सी डू नॉट सी डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट साइड. ओके, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड. So this is on left hand side. So your in P&L account also it will be on left hand side. And now you have to decide where it will go. It will go to trading. It will go where? So as this is expense, so other expenses, all other expenses goes to P&L account. So here you will write down that is to outstanding interest on B's loan account. That is 2250. See, you won't write 52,250. Outstanding सिर्फ interest है. So only interest you will give here, that is 2250. Clear? Then discount received. See, as we have written discount allowed here, so discount received will go here as it is income. So discount received, the amount is 400. So here we will write down that is by discount received account. Fine. What is the amount? 400. Discount received is there. So here we will write down that is 400. Clear? Then creditors. See, again I told you, debtors जिसके पास से पैसा लेना है, creditors जिसको पैसा देना है. Debtors you have to take money, creditors you have to pay money. Debtors is assets, so creditors are liability. So the amount is 25,000. So you will go to liability in balance sheet. Okay, here you have written debtors, so here you write down that is creditors, as there is no adjustment, so amount will be in the outer column, that is 25,000. Clear? Then bills payable. Again, bills receivable is here, bills payable is here. Bills receivable is your asset, so bills payable is your liability. Okay, same case, but here bills payable in the case of credit purchase is created. Okay, bills payable is created in case of credit purchases. Bills receivable is created in the case of credit sales. Debtors is created in case of credit sales. Okay, creditors are created in case of that is credit purchase. So here for creditors and for bills payable, okay, right, what is the amount of bills payable? That is 5,000. So here 5,000. Okay, so just remember these two are created out of credit purchases. Debtors and bills receivable are created out of credit sales. Okay, after bills payable there is trading account. See, directly they have given trading account. See, here I have prepared trading account, but there is not a single item which is related to trading account. Not even in the adjustment there is a single item which is related to trading account. So here what I will do, I'll simply put dash. Okay, as nothing came. And now this trading account amount is how much? 97,250, as this is given on credit side. Okay, so here credit side, see, here there is no item to be recorded, so after this only this account is there. So here only the trading account will come. It is on credit side, so here also we will write down in credit side, that is by trading account. See, this is one type of your gross profit. Okay, when you are preparing trading account, when you are closing this, you get gross profit or gross loss. Okay, so as it is coming here on credit side, so it is your profit. Okay, so trading account, the amount is 97,250. Fine. But suppose, see, one more thing, if there is any adjustment, see, your trading account is given, if in adjustment there is any amount which is related to purchase or sales, for example unrecorded purchases, unrecorded sales, then this trading account would I have written here on credit side. By trading account the amount would have gone here, okay, and then I would have given the effects of purchase and sale, and then at the end what I would ever get, that is my gross profit or gross loss, will be transferred to this account. बट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर सम देर इज़ नो एडजस्टमेंट, कोई एडजस्टमेंट नहीं है जो परचेज से रिलेटेड है या सेल से रिलेटेड है. फॉर एग्जांपल अनरिकॉर्डेड परचेज, रॉन्गली रिकॉर्डेड परचेज, ओके, अनरिकॉर्डेड परचेज रिटर्न, रॉन्गली रिकॉर्डेड परचेज रिटर्न, गुड्स विड्रॉन अगर कोई है तो वो भी परचेज में जाएगा, बट ऐसी कोई एडजस्टमेंट नहीं है. सो वी आर नॉट राइटिंग हियर anything, okay, but if it is there, in that case this trading account I have to write down here in trading account credit side. Clear? So here all my debit side and credit side is over. Now I'll be moving on to the adjustment. Fine. What is given your first adjustment? See, provide depreciation 6% on machinery and 20% on furniture. First of all, what is depreciation? See, depreciation is one type of ग्रेजुअल रिडक्शन इन द प्राइस ऑफ असेट. जब आप कोई पर्टिकुलर असेट यूज़ करते हो धीरे धीरे वो असेट का वैल्यू कम होता जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल टुडे आई हैव परचेज दी एक्टिवा, ओके, फॉर 1 lakh. नाउ आफ्टर 2-3 months immediately the amount will be less, okay. If I want to go and sell it, nobody is going to give me 1 lakh rupees, okay. So amount will be coming less. So that's why what the businessmen they are doing, they calculate depreciation on each and every asset, okay. This depreciation is calculated but it is not paid to anyone. Depreciation is one type of non-cash expense, okay. Depreciation एक type का non-cash expense है because वो expense है but ये expense आपको business में ही side में रखना है, किसी को pay नहीं करना है, okay. What the particular businessmen are doing, for example I'm talking about machinery. They have purchased machinery right now, okay. Now after 10 years that particular machinery will be having no value. वो machinery कोई काम में नहीं आएगा, उसकी value zero हो जाएगी. Again the businessman has to purchase a new machine. इतना सारा cash वो time पे वो कहाँ से लाएगा? So what the businessmen they are doing, every year they are calculating depreciation. This amount is kept aside. They are not using this amount. आफ्टर 10 years ये एक लमसम अमाउंट हो जाएगा. जब मशीनरी की वैल्यू आफ्टर 10 years और 15 years जब उसकी वैल्यू ज़ीरो हो जाएगी और वो मशीन यूजलेस हो जाएगा, सो अगेन दे विल हैव टू परचेज द न्यू मशीनरी. एट दैट टाइम this lump sum amount which is kept aside as depreciation will be used by the businessman, okay. So there will be no financial crisis in the business, okay. तो इस वजह से businessman depreciation calculate करते. It is one type of non-cash expense. Why non-cash? Because you are not paying to anyone. वो business में ही वो पैसा रहता है, okay. So that's why it is treated as non-cash expense. So now we will be calculating. See, depreciation first on machinery is 6%. So here machinery, okay. डेप्रिसिएशन 6%, 50,000 पे 6% कैलकुलेट करोगे, 6 5 30, ओके, इट विल बी 3,000, बट आई एम शोइंग यू हाउ इट विल बी. सो 50,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6%. सी, यू विल प्रेस मल्टीपल 50,000 multiple 6 and then press percentage sign. So you are getting 3,000. So see, here I will be writing 3,000. और depreciation is non-cash expense, इस वजह से वो हमेशा माइनस ही होगा. So in the outer column you will get 47,000. See, here also you can do 3,000 is there. Now put minus and then is equals to. Directly you will get 47,000. Again I am showing 50,000 multiply by 6%. ये आ गया 3,000. Now minus and then is equals to. So you will be getting that is 47,000. Okay. Then next depreciation is 20% on furniture. So here depreciation it is 20%. So on 5,000 you will be calculating 20%. So see, 5,000 into 20%. So it is 1,000. Okay, and then minus. So it will be 4,000. See here, minus and then equals to. So 4,000. Fine. See, you can calculate it orally also. For 10%, what you have to do, you have to just skip 1 0. Okay. एक ज़ीरो हटा देना है आपको 10% के लिए. अब ये 20% है तो 500 का डबल इट इज़ 1,000. Here 6%, so 6 5s are 30. Okay, and just remove 2 0 and here there will be added 2 zeros. Okay, so here, but it is comfortable, you just go with the calculator. Okay, right now, as this will be the first sums for you. So here these two are the depreciation. See, now we are talking about adjustment. Adjustment has two effect, compulsory two effect. So this is only one effect, one for machinery and one for furniture. Now second effect, depreciation is one type of non-cash expenses and all other expenses comes here P&L account debit side. Or you can remember, here there is minus, minus is opposite side. So here it is on the right hand side. So in P&L account it will be on left hand side. So left hand side is this. Or you remember that it is an expense, so it will be coming here. So to depreciation on machinery account, to depreciation on furniture account. Okay, for machinery it was 3000 and for furniture it is 1000. When you are writing the amount, see, just write down this zero is below this, okay, this is below this is below this, like that. Okay, please do not write down like this. That is, for example, 10,000 I have written, then I want to write down 2,000, so I am writing 2,000 like this. Okay, please do not write down like this. Okay, you have to maintain this, that is below the last digit, all the digits should be coming like this. Okay, then next, so two adjustments are over for the first entry. Now second, write off 500 from debtors. See, write off means minus ही होगा. Okay, so write off 500 from debtors as bad debt. So see, this is your debtors on asset side, write off है तो minus होगा as bad debt. So this is your bad debt which is given to you in adjustment. So 500, so here 500, 40,000 minus 500, you will be getting 39,500 in the outer column. Fine. Now this is your adjustment. Two entries you have to compulsory remember. So BD here, okay, so the another entry will go here. Okay, see, trial balance, or sorry, P&L account. See, BDA, A stands for adjustment. This bad debt was given in trial balance, this bad debt is of adjustment. So this is the adjustment related bad debt. So 500, second entry you will write down for 500 is this. Okay, now there is no entry which is related to BDR, bad debt reserve. Okay, so see, here there is no entry which is related to bad debt reserve. So here we will put dash and 1200 plus 500. Okay, so here there will be 1700 in the outer column, as here there is nothing. Now BDR, see, what do you mean by BDR? That is bad debt reserve. Okay, BDR means bad debt reserve. So in business they are keeping, see, you know reserve, what do you mean by reserves? Okay, you have already studied. Reserve means the money which is being kept aside for the future uncertainties. कल उठ के अगर बिजनेस में कुछ भी ऊंच नीच होती है, लॉस होता है, तो ये रिजर्व में से वो पैसा क्या किया जाता है, एडजस्ट किया जाता है. तो कुछ पैसा हमेशा बिजनेसमैन रिजर्व में साइड में रखता है. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो वन टाइप ऑफ प्रोविजन. ओके, के स्पेशल पर्पस. ओके, जनरल रिजर्व नहीं है, एक टाइप का प्रोविजन है बैड डेट रिजर्व, कि इसको यही काम में यूज़ करना है. अब बैड डेट रिजर्व के नाम से जो पैसा हमने साइड में निकाला है वो उसी काम में यूज़ करेंगे, इसलिए उसे रिजर्व नहीं बट एक टाइप का प्रोविजन कहा जाता है. ओके, provisions are such kind of reserves which are for specific purpose and it is to be used for that only. You cannot use for any other purpose. Okay, so this bad debt reserve is to be kept aside in the business. Okay, and it is one type of provision. Fine. So now you will be clear what do you mean by bad debt reserve. अगर कल उठ के bad debts होते हैं तो ये bad debts. Okay, bad debt means किसी ने आपको पैसा नहीं दिया और देने वाला भी नहीं है, वो अब नहीं देगा. Okay, so it is one type of loss for you. That certain bad debts are adjusted from this type of bad debt reserve, अगर उसमें पैसा रखा है तो. Fine. Now next entry, annual salary of 5,000 and 4,000 payable to Brahma and Vishnu. See, this is your partner's salary. Okay, so it will be going to partner's capital account only. See, partner business में से जब कुछ लेगा वो यहाँ आएगा. Okay, but यहाँ पार्टनर को सैलरी मिल रही है. ओके, सो इट विल बी रिकॉर्डेड हियर. ओके, सैलरी पार्टनर ले ही रहा है बट इट इज़ नॉट दैट इज़ he is taking something. For example, drawings he is taking for his personal use, then it is coming here. Okay, salary is his right, so it will be coming here. So by salary account for Brahma it is, see how much, 5,000 and for Vishnu it is 4,000. पहले ब्रह्मा का नाम है तो first amount is for Brahma, second Vishnu's name, so second amount is for Vishnu. So 5,000 and 4,000. So here there will be 5,000 and here there is 4,000. Fine. Now again this is adjustment. Okay, So when adjustment is there, second effect will come. So now see, in first chapter theory portion I taught you about partners capital account and P&L appro. I told except capital, additional capital, drawing and additional drawing, whatever you record in partners capital account will go on opposite side. So your salary is here, so it will go this side. So we will be recording here two salary accounts. So see, no need to write here Brahma and Vishnu, and here directly we can write down here, that is 5,000 plus 4,000, so it is 9,000. Fine. So two salary account 9,000. Clear? Again I am repeating, whatever you record here in partners capital account except capital, additional capital, drawing, additional drawing, इसके अलावा जो भी रिकॉर्ड करोगे, if it is here credit side it will go P&L appro debit side, if it is here in partners capital debit side it will go to P&L appro credit side. Okay, opposite effect goes from year to year and from year to year, except drawing, additional drawing, capital and additional capital. See, I have not given for this. Okay, I gave only for this, so this effect is also over. Next, commission 500 is receivable. See, what do you mean by receivable? अभी तक receive किया नहीं है, receive करोगे future में. It means right now it is outstanding. Okay, payable अभी तक pay किया नहीं है, future में pay करोगे. Okay, in your accounts 11th standard, in the first chapter itself, part 1, you have studied some terminologies. Okay, payable, receivable, it means paid means already given, payable means अब pay करना है, received already received, receivable means now you will be receiving in future. Okay, so this is outstanding income. Fine. So see, commission we have recorded here. Sorry, I forgot to record the commission. See, one item I forgot. Okay, after creditors we have recorded. After creditors, bills payable also I have recorded. Commission I forgot, okay, by mistake. So commission is how much? 2,500. Okay, tick mark is there. So here it is income. See, I told you incomes and gains we will record in P&L account credit side. So here I am writing by commission account, that is 2,500. See, as there is adjustment I am writing in the inner column. Okay, so see, like this, if certain amount are been forgotten, if adjustment is there, then you can go, then you can remember, but just do not make mistake by like me. Okay, see one by one each item. Okay, put a scale and with the help of scale just go, okay, by each and every item. So here commission 2,500, inner column we have written, okay, minus, and then now when you see this adjustment, this is your outstanding income. See, receivable is outstanding income. Okay, as it is outstanding I'll have to make here plus. Okay, so outstanding, how much it is there? 500. So here 500 outstanding commission. Okay, or you can even write down receivable. 2,500 plus 500, it will be 3,000 in the outer column. Now plus same side, it means it is here. See how from balance sheet you were coming here, so from here now you will go to balance sheet. Plus same side, so this side, it means in balance sheet also it will be this side only. So here that is outstanding commission, or even you can think like this, that तुम्हें receive करना है future में, when you are going to receive in future, it is your asset. So outstanding commission, that is 500. See, you will give the entry only for 500. Okay, same way outstanding salary, it is 3,000. So salary, it was expense. See, here we have left this space. Okay, now as it is outstanding, I'll put here plus outstanding salary. Okay, that is how much? 3,000. So here 3,000. Now 7 plus 3, it will be 10,500. Fine. Now again plus same side. See, salary, it is an expense. When I am recording here, it is expense. It means this is my outstanding expense. Okay, so where outstanding expense will go, it is plus same side, it means here. So from here now I'll go to balance sheet. So in balance sheet also it will be recorded this side. So here I will be write down, that is outstanding salary, only 3,000 you will record here. Okay, which is the amount given in your adjustment, 3,000 here. Okay, so like this you can remember. Another method is also this, that only remember first thing. See, the another method to remember, that also I'll teach you, but I think this one is easy, like this you can remember. But first, outstanding expenses. One thing you remember, liabilities are always recorded सॉरी आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंस इज ऑलवेज रिकॉर्डेड इन लाइबिलिटी, जो मुझे पे करना है फ्यूचर में, तो इट विल गो टू लाइबिलिटी. नाउ फ्रॉम दिस वन यू कैन रिमेंबर अदर 4 आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंस ईयर. ओके, फर्स्ट थिंग ईयर. नाउ ईयर आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंस, सो ईयर देर विल बी आउटस्टैंडिंग इनकम. नाउ put income here and put expenses here. Okay, now here there will be pre-received income and here there will be prepaid income. So like this you can write down with pencil if you want to remember. So directly when the things are coming you can use this rule and you can put the effects, or whatever I have taught you plus minus, like that also. So these are the two ways. Either write down this outstanding expense once, so now outstanding income comes here, so it is pre-received. Expense from here it is going here, so it is prepaid expense. Okay, so like this also you can remember, or the plus minus effect which I have shown you, opposite effect and same side effect. Okay, that also you can use. So see, now here all the adjustments are over, all from trial balance things are over, from adjustment also it is over. So now what you have to do, you have to close this account. Before closing the account you have to see that all the items are there in the outer column or not. So here, so there is no item. Now this is in the outer column, this also we have taken in the outer column, this also we have taken in the outer column. Sometimes we just forgot to take the things in the outer column, so when you close you will not get the exact answer. So just check it out that the things are in outer column. Here this is in outer column, this is also in outer column. Okay, so all the items we have kept in outer column. Now we will do the total. See, first we'll see which side is greater, this side is greater or this side is greater. See, by just seeing we can make it out. See, here one item only is 97, it means this side is only greater. So first we will do the total of credit side. See, please close your account with double line. Okay, compulsory. So this 97,250 plus 400 plus 3,000, you are getting 1,06,50. Okay, same this total you will write down here, 100,650. Now what you will be doing, deduct one by one each item from this. So minus 6,000 minus 350 minus 1,200, 10,500, 1,700, 5,900, 2,250, 3,000, 1,000. Okay, you are getting 60,750. Sorry, 68,750. Okay, so here you will write down the difference, 68,750. Here you will write down 2 net. See, this side if it is coming it is profit, so 2 net profit account. If this side it is coming, okay, this side is greater, then the difference you will get this side. अगर ये side बड़ा है तो difference ये side पे मिलेगा, it will be treated as net loss. Okay, so this is your net profit. Now this will be moving to next account. Okay, अब ये यहाँ पर 2 में है तो इसके बाद वाले account में ये यहाँ buy में होगा. Okay, that's why we maintain the sequence. Okay, so net profit account, that is 68,750. Fine. So always maintain our sequence: trading, P&L, appro, partners capital and that balance sheet. Okay, this sequence should be maintained. Now we will close this account. Obviously this side is greater, by seeing we can make it out. Here only one item, 9,000. So now put this side total, this is only greater, so 68,750. 68,750. From now this we will be deducting 9,000. So minus, we are having already on screen 68,750 minus 9,000. So I am getting that is 59,750. So here 59,750. This is my divisible profit account. Fine. See, here you will be getting gross, net and divisible. Okay, either gross profit or gross loss, net profit, net loss, divisible profit, divisible loss. Okay, suppose loss is there, suppose I have here loss. Okay, by net loss, so here it is on buy, so here it will be coming this side, that is 2 है तो buy में जाएगा, buy है तो 2 में जाएगा. Clear? Now see, from this, now here it is on 2. So in the next account it will go to buy. So here buy divisible profit account. Okay. Now one figure but two partners. So what you will do, you will distribute this profit among two partners, that is Brahma and Vishnu. Okay. And here we have written what is our ratio, 3:2, that is equals to 5. Okay, we have written here so that again we no need to go to see the sum. So now this amount is to be distributed in this ratio 3:2. See, the total is 5. 3 plus 2 total क्या आया, 5 आया. So this is already on the screen, 59,750 divided by 5. क्या करोगे, divide by 5. Now press multiple only once, एक ही बार multiple करना है. First is 3. So 3 equals to what you are getting, 35,850. Okay, so here for first partner it is 35,850. Now see, do not press multiple again, एक ही बार multiple press करना है. Now directly what you will press 2 and then is equals to 2. So 2 and then equals to, so 23,900. Okay, so for the another partner the amount is 23,900. Again I am showing you. See, the amount is 59,750. So 59,750 ratio 3:2 is equals to 5. So पहले 5 से divide करोगे, divided by 5, multiple once only. Now 3 equals to and then 2 equals to, like this. Fine. Now this amount is to be given to two partners, that is here by divisible profit. So in Brahma's column I'll write down 35,850 and then in Vishnu's column 23,900. Fine. Now I'll be closing only the first partner. Again double line, closing. Again we can make it out that this side is only greater because here only 5,000 is there. So see, first I am doing only for B. 55,000 plus 5,000 plus 35,850. So I am getting 95,850. Okay, this side in B column there is only 5,000. So minus 5,000. What I am getting, 98,850. So here I will write down 90,850. Same way now I will be doing, here I have written 90,850. Okay, same way we will be doing for the another partner, that is V. Okay, Vishnu. So here 45,000 plus 4,000 plus 23,900. Okay. So total is coming, that is 72,900. Again this side it is 5,000, so minus 5,000 you are getting, that is 67,900. So I will write down here 67,900. See, this was opening capital. I have written here by balance brought down. So here it will be to balance carried down. Okay, and this is my closing capital. This no need to write, only I am writing for you as this is the first sum, closing capital and opening capital. We will write down only this much, by balance brought down here and here to balance carried down. Okay, so this is your closing capital for the partner, and capital is one type of liability. So here from here it will go to this side. See, everywhere it is in 2, it will be going in buy. Okay, so here it is on debit side, 2 side, so now it will go to credit side. See, this is only your credit side. Okay, trading debit, credit, debit, credit, debit, credit, but when you come to balance sheet it is credit and then debit. Okay, so here you will write down capital. So for B partner it is 90,850. Okay, from here only we are copying, and for V it is 67,900. So 67,900. Now we will do the total of both of this. See, 67,900 is already on the screen. Now plus 90,850. So 90,850. You will be getting 1,58,750. Is this clear? Now what you will be doing at the end? Now we will be doing the total of asset side. Always do the total of asset side first, because there is marking for your total also. If the sum is wrong and the total of asset side is correct, okay, then you will at least get the marking for this asset total of your balance sheet. Okay, and asset side is why correct? Because see, this amount you are getting from here, this amount you're getting from here, this amount you're getting because of this. So it is carry forward everywhere. Okay? So there are chances that this side might be wrong, but this side is always most of the time correct. So now we will be doing the total of your asset side, that is 54,000 plus 47,000 plus 4,000 plus 39,500 plus 20,000 plus 6,000 plus 73,000 plus 500. Okay, so 2,44,000. So here 2,44,000. Okay, now from this here also it will be same 2,44,000, but we'll see that whether this side is same or not. But what you'll do, don't do it again, just deduct this side. Okay, so minus 158,750 minus 52,250 minus 25,000 minus 5,000 and minus 3,000. See, you should get 0 on your calculator. It means the total is tallied. Okay, now this is your sum, that is question number 8, the first sum which is based on final account. This sum in your board exam will be for 11 marks in your section F. From this particular chapter only one sum is going to come, no theory portion is going to come. Okay, so only one sum will be coming, that is for 11 marks. Okay, and you will be getting, for example, 4 ticks are there, 1 2 3 4, these 4 items are right, then you will get 1 mark. Okay, so for each 4 items are correct, you are getting 1 mark. Okay, please remember this thing. Same way, for example, here 1 2 3 4, these 4 items are correct, you will get another 1 mark. Okay, so like this in board exam the checking is taking place for the final account. Okay, so you have to write down, and the formats are also should be there. Partners capital account, the titles should be proper, the format should be proper. Okay, it should be with the double line. For example, the whole sum is correct and double lines you are not given. Okay, for the when you're closing the accounts like this, double line is not there, then 1 mark is or half mark is deducted from this. So please do not give any chance when the whole sum is correct. Please maintain the format. Even debit credit you have to write, you have to give the title. Okay, everywhere. Is this clear? So this is the solution for question number 8. Hope the sum is clear. If still you have any query, then do ask. Thank you.